I'll be doing my makeup and I'll be talking to you guys, if that makes sense. I see it on people, I like it, I do it. Straightening my hair has damaged my hair. I think I should calm down. I like her. It's not that bad. I think I like it. Can I actually be corrected? No, don't ignore me. Please come back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki Sanya. I'm back again with another video. Yeah. So in today's video, I'll be talking about 5 things you need to know before straightening your natural hair. Yes, natural hair. The hair without relaxer. Yes. So 5 things you need to know before straightening your natural hair while I do my makeup. I'm not a pro. Yeah, disclaimer. I just want to start exploring. Like, I realized that I have these things and I don't use them, and I want to start exploring to get better. My mirror broke, guys, so this is the broken part. I'll be part of the broken part. I don't know. Yeah, so I'll be using the mirror here. I have the stuff I want to use here. So I'll be doing my makeup and I'll be talking to you guys, if that makes sense. Yeah. So yeah, I'm good. So I'll be starting with my primer. I already prepped my skin off camera. Like, I use my sunscreen, my moisturizer, and all. So this is the primer. I think my primer is finished, guys. You know what? You cannot waste my time. It's not finished, though. It's still much. So this is me using my primer to prime my face. Number one, it takes time. Yes, guys. Straightening your hair is sweet and amazing. Very, very sweet and amazing. Like, I see it on people, I like it, I do it. People see it on me, they like it, they do it. But guys, it takes time. You can spend like hours, I mean hours, straightening your natural hair because you want it to look good. So you will give it the time, you will give it everything it takes. But trust me, it's beyond you seeing it on people and liking it, because they have to sit hours. You get, some people do it themselves, and some people pay people to do it. So it takes time. Yeah, guys, it takes time to straighten your natural hair. Number two on my list is the chances of its damage. Guys, I think I fall in that category. Yeah, because straightening my hair has damaged my hair actually. I think I'll be sharing the story, my natural hair story, very soon. Probably one of these days, if time permits. Yeah, and if God permits too. So I'll be sharing my natural hair story to tell you how I transitioned, how I cut my hair, and how I ruined it again with straightening my hair. So the chances of its damage is something you need to consider. And it's not just using heat protectants, because trust me, all through the process of me straightening my hair, I've been using heat protectants and still damaged my hair actually. So, but not totally though, because the curls are coming back now. But you get, it's not like natural hair like that. Yeah. So number three on my list, I think I should calm down. I feel like I'm rushing. Yeah, because I'm still doing my foundation and I'm in number three already. So the next one is my concealer. You guys, we are doing this makeup together because I'm not really a makeup person like that. I think I prefer my natural face to makeup. But how I have these makeup items, I don't know. So I have them, I don't use them, and I realized that I need to do better. And that's it. That's what I'm trying to do. So I've watched lots of videos on how to do makeup. So now I'm exploring. Okay, you know what? Still calm down. So I'm trying to blend my concealer. Blend, 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 blend. I have a dark under eye, guy. Like very, very dark. And I don't like it. So there are times that I try to use concealer to just cover it, like just concealer. Like I just use just concealer on my face to brighten my under eye sometimes, especially when I'm stressed. Okay, I think I'm liking the feel. There is a TikToker that I admire so much. The way she does a makeup tutorial, oh my gosh. Like she takes her time to teach. Like I think she's a teacher. She's good. Like she makes people like us that does not know jack about makeup to make us want to learn and explore and do better. So I like her. I think I'm gonna tag her so you guys can at least just watch. I don't know if she has a YouTube channel though, but her TikTok can do. I said all of that to say that she's the reason I am doing this. Yeah, I want to blend before I move to number three on my list. To number three on my list, number three on my list. It's not that bad. I think I like it. Okay, I think it's properly blended. Number three on my list is it won't always come out right. Yeah, trust me. Like you would straighten the hair now, and probably in the next few minutes, some people minutes, some people hours, it's already shrinking again. So it won't always come out right. It won't always be straightened at once like that. So you need to note that. Yeah, so like I'm doing two things at the same time. I'm trying to talk to you guys and I'm trying to do my makeup. I hope you guys don't know what I'm saying. Please just ignore me. No, don't ignore me. Please come back. Don't ignore me. I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay, so I have to concentrate to do this, guys. Sorry. There's one thing I am so terrible at in makeup is brow. So I just learned this on TikTok, guys. So I'm trying to explore. Oh my gosh. So I want to what's it called? Oh you guys, I feel like I still did rubbish. Oh, it's not that bad. Can actually be corrected. And this was done. Okay. Still didn't get it right, guys. and I don't know. Number four on my list is less shrinkage and more length. Like, trust me, your hair, you'll be surprised at the length of your hair. The last time I straightened my hair, I was shocked. You'll be surprised at the length of your hair. So there'll be less shrinkage and more length because you're actually strengthening, I'll be straightening the hair. So the curls and everything, you're gonna lose it. Yeah. So length. Some people's hair shrinks immediately though. So I guess it has to do with your hair type and all, but trust me, the length of your hair is really gonna be obvious. So note that. Before I go to the final one, I want to like sort out this on my face because right now it's looking like I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So, but I am not confused. Yeah, I am not confused. Let me do my eyeshadow. This is actually not the brush for eyeshadow, guys, but I cannot say this is where the brush is. Yeah, it is always hot. Wonderful. But that means you're gonna just focus on it. So now I'm learning to hot. Take my time. I'm quite. Yeah, I think I'm. So I think I like this color. Yeah, this is nice. Not bad. Not bad at all. So apparently, guys, my camera had died while recording. Yeah, and I'd gone far with my makeup, and I've said my final points earlier. So now I'm going to say it again. So I didn't know my camera had died while I was recording, and I tried recording again, but there was no sound in it. So now I'm recording it again. Yeah, so that's actually like a disadvantage of recording alone. Yeah, because you don't have anyone to help you check if it's recording or not, to check if everything is going well or not. So okay, so my fifth and final point is easier to trim. Yeah, because it's already straightened, it's stretched out, the length, you can see the length, there is no curls or anything, so you can easily trim your hair. So if you are someone that likes to trim your hair regularly, straightening your natural hair is actually like a good thing. So you can see the length of your hair and know what to trim and trim the weaker parts of your hair. Yeah, I don't know if that makes sense. I'm sure it does. Yeah, the weaker part of your hair, the weaker end of your hair. So you can easily trim it out. So you can't do it properly while your coils is still intact. Okay, there was a time I tried that. I tried trimming my hair while it wasn't straightened and my curls were intact and all. So by the time I was going to make my hair like just weave my hair, I could see it like it was not properly done. Do you understand? The end of my hair, the tip was not properly done. So, okay, when you want to cut out those weak ends, it's preferable your hair is straightened already, so you can easily trim your natural hair while your hair is straightened. Yeah, I want to run over the 5 points again. Number one, it takes time. Number two, chances of its damage. Number three, it won't always come out right. Number four, less shrinkage and more length. And number five, easier to trim. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as I enjoy making it. Yeah. So if you do enjoy it, please like, share with your friends, your family, your loved ones. Yeah. Share with people on natural hair. Here are just few things they need to know before straightening their natural hair. Yeah. So, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, guys, I want you guys to subscribe and help me grow on YouTube. Yeah. So if there are other things you feel we need to note before, because I only mentioned 5 things, that's not the only thing to know. Yeah, but if there are other things you know that you feel like should be added, please drop a comment and I'll respond. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I hope I'm not doing this again.